Hi guys, here are your instructions for the week of May 4th through May 8th. And we are almost done. You're almost there. So keep rocking through. You guys are doing great. On Monday, May 4th, you just need to read a few pages out of your book. And again, if you don't have your textbook, you can click on the link to read the online version. You'll be reading pages 135 through 139. And once you've done that, you'll come and answer the question, how do scientists use embryos to show how closely related animals are? So this embryology is just another piece of the puzzle of evidence for evolution that we've been adding. So we've talked about, and I've said this every time I've reviewed these, natural selection, fossil evidence, comparative structures, and the fourth and final one is this embryology. So a lot of you kind of missed this in last week's assignment, but what I was trying to get you to see is that early on in development, different animals that are very different fully grown, like a fish and a human, for example, look very similar early on in development. And what this suggests is that we are related and that we share a common ancestor. So it's another piece of evidence for evolution. On day 2, May 5th, you guys have your claim evidence reasoning. It's your last one for embryology. So the question on this one that you'll be looking at is, how can comparing embryos of different species show evidence for evolution? Give 2 pieces of evidence. You can use stuff that you learned from that embryology Guess Who, from the comparing stages of embryo development, from understanding embryology, that game that you played, or from your reading. So as always with these ones, it's worth 5 points. So do your best, and if I can tell that you tried, you will get the points. Then on the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th, you have 3 days to do this. It is your final assignment, your last assignment. And it's kind of tying everything together that you've learned about evolution. So I went through and did this, and it took me quite a while, which is why you have 3 days to do it, and you even have into next week to do it, because we have some makeup days scheduled for things that you're missing. So don't feel like you have to sit down and do this all at once. And I sat down and did this, and I feel like I understand this stuff pretty well, and it was challenging for me. So if you're struggling with it, just take your time. You have plenty of time, do your very best, and you'll be able to figure it out. It's really fun. And what you'll need to do is play the game. There are 6 different parts of the game, and when you click play game, it will ask you to use an account and just use your school Google account. And that way, when you log back in the next day, it will have saved your progress. Sign in with your Google account. Then it has 6 missions for you to complete. And when you're done with all of the 6 missions, you don't need to do a separate screenshot for each one, but when you have all 6 of them done, take a screenshot and attach it. And there's also a link there that explains how to take a screenshot on your computer and how to attach it. That one is worth 6 points. You get 1 point per mission that you complete. And that's it. So, as always, email me if you have questions, and we will talk to you again next week. Bye.